Let's reveal some secrets of Dasavatar with a small quiz. In how many avatars did Lord Sri Mahavishnu descend to earth? 20, 10, 16, 18. Correct answer is 10. But this is not completely true. There are innumerable incarnations of Lord Vishnu. Some of the important ones are mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam chapter 3, which include 24 avatars of Lord Vishnu. Of these 24 avatars, 10 are considered as primary and complete avatars. Let's see the 24 avatars. 1. Lord Narayana, Adipurush. 2. 4 Brahmakumaras, Sanaka, Sanatana, Sanandana, Sanatkumara. 3. Narada Maharshi. 4. Naranarayana. 5. Kapila Maharshi. 6. Dattatreya. 7. Yajna. Some texts referred him as Lord Indra. 8. Rishabha, founder of Jainism. 9. Prithu. He is the first sacred king responsible for all the greenery on earth. 10. Dhanvantari. 11. Mohini. 12. Hayagriva. He is the god of knowledge and wisdom. 13. Vyasa Maharshi. 14. Matsyavatar. 15. Kurmavatar. 16. Varaha. Narasimha. Vamana. Parasurama. Srirama. Balarama. Krishna. Buddha. Kalki. These are the 24 avatars of Lord Sri Mahavishnu. Next question. Which is the first avatar in Dasavatars? So, Kurma avatar A. B. Narasimha avatar. C. Varaha avatar. D. Matsya avatar. Which is the first avatar in Dasavataras? Correct answer, Matsyavatar. If you observe all the Dasavatars, all the avatars will follow theories of evolution, ascending from a simple life forms to a more complex life forms. Our Puranas explained evolution centuries before the birth of Darwin and before any word like evolution existed in any language in the world. That is the greatness of our Sanatana Dharma. Third, Lord Vishnu descended in which avatar to kill demon king Hiranyakashipu? A. Sri Krishna avatar. B. Narasimha avatar. C. Varaha avatar. 4. Sri Rama avatar. Correct answer is Narasimha avatar. In Narasimha avatar, Prahalada is a perfect example of Saranagati. Narasimha Swami is Jwala avatar. Narasimha Swami is surrounded with Jnanagni. He is Jnanagni Swarupa. In Narasimha Sahasram, it is explained that from Padabhagam to Katibhagam represents Lord Brahma. Katibhagam to Kantabhagam represents Lord Vishnu. Sirasubhagam represents Lord Shiva. We can see Falanetram in some Narasimha Swami temples. Next question. Due to curse of Brahma Manasaputras, Jaya and Vijaya are incarnated as Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu in Satyayugam, Ravana and Kumbhakarna in Tretayugam, Sisupala and Dantavakra in Dwaparayugam, all of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. Jaya and Vijaya are the two Dwarapalakas of Vaikunta and they are cursed by Brahma Manasaputras to undergo multiple births as mortals. Lord Vishnu appeared before them and said, "The curse of the Kumaras cannot be reversed." Instead, Lord gave them two options. The first option is to take 7 births on earth as devotees of Lord Vishnu, while the second option is to take 3 births as his enemy. Jaya Vijaya opted for the second one. We can see the idols of Jaya Vijaya in temples affiliated to Vaishnavism. Next question. According to Mahavishnu Puranam, Kalki will born in which village? Ayodhya, Shambhala, Tirupati, Srirangam. At the end of Kali Yuga, Kalki will born in which village? And the correct answer is Shambhala. In English, Shambhala is known as Shangri-La. In Telugu, we call it as Siddhashramam. In Mahavishnu Puranam, it was written that Kalki will learn all the Vidyas from Lord Parasurama. Lord Shiva will present white horse and sword to Kalki. Kalki will wear Chintamani and initiate to destroy all the adharma and inaugurates the sacrifice and dharma of Satyayuga. What is Chintamani now? It is in Shambhala, and Shambhala is in Himalayas near Manas Sarovar. Shambhala is in the shape of a lotus with 8 petals like hills surrounding it, and there will be Sri Chakram at the center. Inside the Sri Chakram, an inverted pyramid shaped building is present, and at the center of the building, Chintamani is present. Now, we all will have a doubt. That is, can normal people reach Shambhala? No, normal people cannot reach Shambhala or cannot see Shambhala. People with astral vision only can see it. In recent years, Madam Helena Blavatsky explained her experiences in Shambhala in her book of Secret Doctrine. It is believed that copies of all the Puranas and Vedas are stored here. There is existence of divine power beyond our senses and imaginations. If you think anything beyond our imagination is fiction, we may be wrong. Now, let's have a small quiz in last video. I will ask 3 questions. If you know the answer, write your answer in the comment box. First one, Vyasa took whose assistance to write Mahabharata? Second question, who was the husband of Dussala? And third question, who were the sons of Satyavati? Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.